ay para lang sa'yo. Nag-aalala mawala ka pa sa aking singka.
Welcome to the festival of the Lion King! That's the whole of life. The circle of
I should have had my fur cleaned.
Hey guys, quit monkeying around and say hello to all our new friends.
Hey, hey, Homer, welcome! Welcome! Welcome to the circle! In celebration of your arrival, we present the story of your life. The legend of how a proud young lion cub named Simba became the noble king of Pride Rock. It is a story of courage. It is a legend of the Lion King.
我哋交個俾大家聽，獅子王嘅傳奇故事。
Wow guys, I don't know what to say. I'm very honored.
I'll be portraying myself, of course. After all, who else has my charm, grace, and heroic physique?
And I'll pretend to be me. But who's gonna play everybody up?
I will assign the part.
故事中嘅人物有
First, our villain, Scar. Simba's evil uncle. He plans to take over Pride Rock.
Scar 星華嘅叔叔啊，佢好奸㗎，俾你咪試，俾我咪聽，係嘛？
Lala, Simba's childhood sweetheart. She brings strength and love to Simba.
媽媽生得又靚，心地又好，Simba真係有福氣啊！
But who's gonna play Simba when he was just a little guy?
係喎，咁邊個嚟扮啲小仙吧？
Yeah, who's gonna play me?
What's this? Come look! Hey!
I'm gonna be your mighty king, so enemies beware.
Well, I've never seen a kingdom quite so little head.
I'm gonna be the leading bit, like a king was before. Pushing up, I'm looking down, I'm working on my run.
The star of the uninspiring king.
Oh, I just can't wait to be king.
You have a long way to go.
I think it's time that you and I arrange a hot time.
Kings don't need advice from little meerkats for a thought.
And this is where the monarchy is headed. Help me out.
Out of service.
Out of Africa.
I will be
hanging around.
Child is getting lost out here.
Oh, I just can't wait to be king. Roar!
Oh,
I just can't wait to be king. Oh, he just can't wait to be king. Oh, I just can't wait to be king.
Great job, young Simba.
You were the roaring royal.
I'm gonna be a great king someday, just like my dad.
yeah, you wish.
Come on, Nala. I'll show you this really cool place.
威少。
喺呢個時候，加上趕走先吧，然之後搶走佢嘅王國㗎。
Meanwhile, young Simba was too proud to see that Scar was planning to take over Pride Rock.
好似有啲衰嘢行緊埋嚟啦，偷來啊！
I scouted the king, and you.
creepy.
Yeah, isn't it great?
Simba, it's dangerous. We shouldn't be here.
Don't worry, Nala. I'll protect you. Kings aren't afraid of anything. I laugh in the face of danger.
Not afraid of anything, Simba.
For the American, yes, scam.
meticulous planning, tenacity's running, decades of denial is simply why I'll be king of undisputed, respected, saluted, and seen for the wonder I am. Yes, I am an ambition of it. Simba, your father died because of you. No! Run away, Simba, and never return. Yes, I keep an ambition of it.
Hey, what's eating him?
Nothing. He's at the top of the food chain. Get it? Food chain?
Thanks for trying to help, guys, but it's hopeless. I can never return home.
I think he needs cheering up.
What he needs is Hakuna Matata.
What?
What a wonderful phrase. Hey, help me out here.
Hakuna Matata. Ain't no peasant praise. It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata.
Try it again.
Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no peasant praise. It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata.
Come on, everybody. Let's get this party started. Yeah, go, Paul. Go, baby. Hey, Wallace. Come on, Dad. Let's go.
Na di ko yata makakaya nang limutin ang nakaraan nating dalawa. Dahil ang puso ko ay para lang